Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2024 Toyota Corolla, stock number 6191. This ran from the 7th 2018 to the current shape. It has a M28 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by automatic transmission. This is M28 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 16-inch factory alloy Mago tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy Mago tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy Mago tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front 16-inch factory alloy Mago tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.